Good evening, everyone. So I'm Yogeshwari here with my teammates Ranjini Gangadharan, Lashni Eraklan, and Valarmadi Selvadurai. And our prototype project is our electrical e-commerce system. So the introduction of electrical e-commerce system is to purchase the electronic products or components during this pandemic season, where the product is directly supplied to the customer from the supplier, who can be either manufacturer or wholesaler, because the electronic products are hard to get in this pandemic season. This is to clarify the basic terms, systems which works into the customers, where they will place an order for a product on a retailer's online store. And also the retailer forwards the order either consequently or manually to the provider along with the customer details. The provider bundles and ships the order directly to the customers in the retailer's name. So it is reduced the initial investment in the online business store that can wipe up the order in the stock up costs. An easy way to get the products. So the purpose of this project is to identify the requirement needs by the customers during pandemic, to design and develop a website based on the requirement identified, and to evaluate usability when customer interacting with the electrical e-commerce system. So next I will give to my teammate. They will explain about the prototype and how the prototype will be used in the admin session.
This will be the main page of the electrical e-commerce system. So it consists of login. The home page consists of login, sign up, electronic products, shopping cart, and also will consist of social media link, that is Twitter, Facebook, and also Instagram. So now we will look into the admin page first. So to enter into admin should sign up the page. Okay, so they will enter the first name, last name, email, username, and also the password, and then they will create the account. So now we will go to the login page. Previously, we have already created the account, so we will directly enter to the admin page, login page. So enter the username and also the password, and also login. If you forget the password, you can reset the password from the forget password. Okay. So once you enter into the page, okay, this will be the admin dashboard. So in the admin dashboard, you can see the navigation of admin, product list, electronic products, and orders, and also the logger page. So now we'll look out on the admin. So this dashboard, so they can follow on through the social media, that is Twitter, Facebook, and also Instagram. Here, okay, the first part will be user log information. So here the admin can view who are the person who recently logged into the page. They can view the name and the time and also the date when they log in to the system. Next is on the admin information, name, time, and also the date they log in. Next, the product information. So in the product information, it consists of serial, that is it's the number, product name, description of the product, the cost, price, quantity, category, supplier, and also the option. So this option is where the admin can add the quantity, edit, delete, or view the product's details. Next, supply information. So supply information, admin can know who are the suppliers, their address, contact, email, and also they have option either on they want to edit the supplier profile or delete. So if you click on edit, here is the page where the admin can update the supplier information. So once you enter the name, address, contact, email, and then down there, there's got the option update button. So the admin will click on the update button. Back to index. So the next part will be on the user information. So their first name, middle name, last name, their address, email, contact number, and also option. This option will provide only for delete, So the admin only can done this process. And the final part is admin information. So the first name, the last name, email, username, and also edit and also delete. So the edit will be same as a supplier just now. They can update the edit admin's information, and also they can add the admin. So this is the update part. So they will update all the details of the admin, and then they will update the account. So once they update, so the page will automatically add. So the name will automatically change to admin Valar. So now I'm the admin of the system to show like the administration part. Okay. Okay, for the product. Okay, for the product, admin will enter the amount, the product quantity, the product prices. So they will update the products list according to the information that they get, and then they will update the product list. The admin can view on the order list. So if the customer ordered something, so admin can view the list, that is tracking number, customer, who are the customer, order date, the address, shipping address, contact, email, total price, tax, and also the status. The status will show on whether the shipping has been moved or not. So this will be the customer order section. The admin can view. Finally, the admin, that's a description of the product. So they can just click on the view part, and also they can just see. And also the description, the name of the products, prices, and also item that is still in the stock. This is the overall of the admin page, and finally they will log out to they will log out. We will look on to the customer page.
Ranjini Gangadharan. So I will continue the presentation. So I will explain about the customer page. So this is the first page. This is the second page, which is a sign up page. So the new customer can enter their first name, middle name, last name, email, their complete address, contact informations, and username, password to create a new account. Then they can click to the button to create the account. Register, the user can click on the login button, then they can enter their username and correct password. If they are forget their password, they can click on the forget password. So after enter the username and password, they may click on login button. It will show the username, and then it will have admin panel, electronic product, shopping cart, and logout along with the social media icons, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram link. So the customer also can search the product by entering the product name in the search box. And also they can enter the view button to view the product. The customer can view the product. After view, if they want to buy the product they can click on the add to cart. So they may enter the quantity that they prefer. It can be 1 or 2. So they have to click on order button. So the dialog box will show the product added to the cart. So I have to click OK. This is the shopping cart. So it will have the product, the description, the quantity the user enter, then the price, then total price of the product, and the user also can update their quantity, and they can click on the remove if they are no if they want to if they are nothing to edit, they may continue click on the checkout button. So they also can click on the shop more item if they want to add more any other products. can add other product by clicking view again. And add to cart and select the quantity and click on the order button. So it will show the product that already added into the cart. So this is the total price. Is 735 is the total price with along with the quantity the customer added. So the customer can update, remove, and also they can check out. So the dialog box will appear about are you sure want to continue. So after that, after select OK, it will be another dialog box. So the customer have to enter their their home address, and then they have to select their state. After the customer enter the address and selecting their state, they have to click on the submit button. So this is a checkout page, which is this page will provide with the tracking number of the product, so the total amount, so the tax, and with the shipping address. So the payment will be cash on delivery. So the process will take in 3 days maximally, and also the customer can print out the checking out the receipt. They have to print out this while they receive the product for payment for the payment purpose. They also can, after view the page, they also can click on back to home page. So these are the functions of the customer. Next, I will pass to Lashini for next presentation.
Hello, my name is Lashni. Okay, I'll continue with the significance of our project. Okay, our project is integrated with logistical and also good product qualities. Since in our website you can get varieties of electronic devices, acts as a basic selling. Our website is a basic selling and also a place for the customers, admins, and also suppliers. They can log in from anywhere, everywhere to get the information of electronic devices. They can order to our website. They can add order. They can delete order and everything. For the admin, they can log in into our website to add more products. So by this, what are the benefits is they can be anywhere to order these products. Because of the pandemic, a lot of people is having trouble to actually order some electronic devices, especially the one which is being shipped from outside. Some of them, they cannot move from house to somewhere. So now we are providing a website whereby the customers, they can actually order everything through online, which actually saves the time and also energy. So finally, when delivery is made, they can also pay through cash, and it's a way to actually stabilize the economy, since for during this pandemic time our economy is in the very low state. It's a very easy way or easy platform whereby everybody can communicate through this. Okay, they can the conclusion of our website is, it is actually will save people's energy and time. It's a way to everybody just click buttons just to order their products through online, especially electronic devices is very hard to get during the pandemic time. So they can make orders here, easy for the suppliers, easy for the admins, and also easy for the customers too. Everything they will be having online. Also to help our for the growth of our economy. That's all from me. Thank you.